What is supply chain management? It is not just buying or procuring material or components. It's actually much more than that. It touches all aspects of an operation, from planning to logistics to forecasting to production scheduling. Performance management of your suppliers is critical. It really has many facets to it that touch every function within a high performing organization. So that's how we like to define supply chain management. And a lot of organizations and a lot of companies may define it really as just buying material or just procurement, and that is just one part of good supply chain management. So when we work with clients, we work with them on all the other pieces, oftentimes within supply chain management. So they're working at a high level in order to deliver bottom line impact for manufacturers and ultimately deliver to your customers in a high quality, on time manner. And so the one issue that we hear quite a bit about is inventory management. And two pieces to that. We hear about, especially COVID and post COVID, quite a bit about shortages and managing shortages in inventory. And then also recently, overstocking materials in order to respond quickly to customer requirements and customer needs. And so we've worked with clients on different aspects of inventory management, but the biggest one I'd say is really on planning and forecasting and trying to get a better handle on all the different inputs from production scheduling, from staffing to customers, understanding the market and what the demand inputs are, and getting a better handle on what the outlook is for your products and your different product lines, so we can minimize the shortages, but also optimize the inventory so we're not putting undue pressure on working capital. So that is one of the bigger challenges we've seen in the last year or two with our clients, and we've had a lot of good impact there. So looking forward to more questions down the road. Happy to answer them. Happy to engage on supply chain. It's a hot topic with manufacturers, and we expect it to continue to be so for years to come.